What's the meaning of ayatollah? Ayatollah. Ayatollah.
Ayatollah. Ayatollah. Ayatollah is a title given to high-ranking Shia Muslim clerics in Iran. It is derived from the Arabic word ayat Allah, meaning sign of God. Ayatollahs are considered to have achieved the highest level of scholarship and piety, and are influential figures in Iranian society and politics. They play a significant role in Iran's religious and political affairs, and have been known to issue fatwas, religious edicts, that can carry great weight among Shia Muslims. The title has gained global recognition due to the prominent role of Iranian ayatollahs on the world stage.